talking to camera. That's really what the practice is for tonight. Can I just have a conversation? Today my hot water heater got replaced. And that actually was a big deal because it required me to clean a closet. And I'm really bad at getting rid of things, and I'm trying to get better at that. This tripod's actually sitting on a pile of things from that closet, because nothing's going back in that I won't use. So yeah, really hope this sounded a little bit more conversational. Going through things I own and letting go. It's going to be a project, but here we are.